Flatlock Sewing Machine is a specialized industrial unit that creates flat, strong, and flexible seams by interlocking thread on both sides, primarily used in activewear, sportswear, and swimwear to prevent chafing. Key features and applications: seam quality. Eliminates fabric bulk by joining edges flat, creating a comfortable, non-irritating, and elastic seam. Speed and efficiency. These machines are designed for high-speed production in garment factories, capable of sewing up to 6,000 stitches per minute. Applications: ideal for leggings, swimsuits, wetsuits, technical textiles, underwear, and soft, stretchable clothing. Mechanism: typically utilizes 3 or 4 needles, along with an upper spreader and a lower looper to form the complex interlocking stitch pattern. Popular manufacturers and models. Yamato offers models like the VF-508 series for high speed and the VFS-500-8 with top feeding technology to prevent slippage. Yuki, known for industrial machines with high-quality stitching. Brother, Tsuruba, Pegasus, PFAFF, and Singer, major manufacturers producing a wide range of industrial sewing machinery. Types of flatlock stitches. True flatlock, produced by dedicated machines that join edges in a single pass, often trimming the material for a perfectly flush finish. Faux flatlock, created by using a 3-thread or 4-thread overlocker, setting it to a flatlock stitch. Common components: needles, 3 or 4, designed to create multiple rows of stitching simultaneously. Loopers and spreaders work to interlock the thread on both the top and bottom of the fabric, ensuring strength.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.